Hi guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Very quick video for you today. I'm going to show you how to remove and replace the rear light on a Peugeot 2008 2019 model. First off, come over to the boot, open it up fully. I've actually removed the parcel shelf just to allow some more light in, and you'll notice on both sides there's an indent with a handle. Open up both sides. Just inside you notice a void. In there's actually a triple wing nut, just one triple wing nut per side, and that will release the whole side light cluster. I'll take one off just to show you it. Once that's off, just come around to the side of the car. You'll need two hands. You can actually work the light away from the car. Just inside there's one electrical connection. Just put the side release mechanism in and that'll actually pop straight off and release the light. To put it back, just make sure you line up all the holes and push towards the front of the car. Get your triple wing nut. No need to do it up too tight. Close off the hatch, and there you go. Back on. If you found this video helpful, please give me the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.